Still remember the screen used firearm William Fichtner in the film The Dark Knight. Now we have the same M870 saw-off version from PPS Airsoft. Since November 2014, the first batch M870 from PPS released, we received a lot of praise, but also a lot of improved comments. We have listened to and analyzed these carefully. We made a lot of improvements on the structure and materials within 9 months, with repeatedly innovated and examined. Following is the new M870 saw-off version. The wood grip and handguard from PPS M870 combined with metal receiver, the overall appearance of the simple and elegant. The handguard made with beechwood imported from Germany, and CNC engraving process. The size of parts same as actual size, which can use real guns. Following is the new M870 RIS version. This version of PPS M870 is equipped with KSE-style RIS, with full CNC machining RIS plus M4 collapsible stock, make this 870 looks mighty domineering. Many accessories can be mounted on this long-length RIS. The M4 telescoping stock adapter can use on reel 870, and use with reel M4 stock tube. Players can install different stock according to their interests. The weight and length of this version PPS M870 is much more heavier and longer than the saw-off version, but it can still achieve single-hand trip function.